Finding the best product that fits your budget can be a challenge. However, there are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best die-cutting machines from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Silhouette Cameo 4. Silhouette Cameo 4 is the new unmatched cutting machine that delivers high cutting speed and force. You will enjoy the new dual carriage of the Cameo 4, which allows you to cut in 2 different ways. This gives the machine 3x the power of the previous model without sacrificing accuracy. It comes with a built-in roll feeder, which is stored in the machine's compact pull-out drawer to help you to cut vinyl quickly. This feature also enables you to heat the transfer materials directly from the roll. This machine has an ultra-smart system which uses a tool sensor technology to detect the tools you are using, then triggers the studio software of the Silhouette machine to automatically adjust cut settings. Positive side of this product. Cutting force up to 5 kilograms resulting from its dual motor system. Comes with a built-in cross cutter and roll feeder to make cutting very simple. Negative side of this product. To be very honest, there is no negative side that we found to describe. Number 2. Brother ScanCut Electronic Die-Cutting Machine. This machine is made with a blade sensor technology, which automatically detects the thickness of the material you are using. It has the power to cut up to 3 mm material thickness. Its 5-inch touchscreen display allows you to scan your material and see it. The display screen also enables you to turn your scanned images into unique cut designs and patterns. The Brother ScanCut whispers quietly. It scans with very little noise, giving you ample time to focus on your DE projects, card making, and quilting, whether it is day or night time. You will like the convenience this machine brings. It offers built-in storage for your blades, touch pen, and other tools. If you are working on fabric projects, then this is the ideal machine for you. Positive side of this product. Built-in scanner for creating unique designs. Gives precise and quick cuts. Easy editing designs on the touchscreen display. Negative side of this product. The mat loses its adhesiveness quickly. Number 3. Cricut Maker. Cricut Maker gives you countless project possibilities through its expandable suite of tools. You get the opportunity to grow as you explore and learn with its powerful blades, scoring tool, and pens. With Cricut Maker, you will enjoy the freedom to be more creative on paper crafts, vinyl decals, leather crafts, iron-on, sewing projects, and balsa models. This machine comes with a new rotary blade for fabrics, which uses a rolling and gliding action to cut through any fabric. You will get a quick and accurate cut without backing material. To simplify your quilting and sewing projects, Cricut Maker offers you access to numerous digital sewing projects. You can choose from the many digital sewing patterns, and the Cricut Maker will cut them and mark all the pieces. All you have to do is to sew them together. Positive side of this product. Free design apps helps you quickly and conveniently lay out your project. Its rotary blade accurately and quickly cuts through any fabric. Number 4. Cricut Explore Air 2. Empower yourself with Cricut Explore Air 2, the Cricut personal cutting machine that has never failed in living up to its expectations. Everything that comes with this machine is simply designed with its users in mind. Considered one of the best Cricut machines, it is very easy to set up, and even comes with Bluetooth capability to transfer cut jobs easily. It is fast and reliable, allowing you to create designs on your iPhone, Android devices or your computer easily. The Cricut Explore Air 2 has a great deal of accuracy and works with a variety of materials from thin vellum to thick leather, up to 12 inches long and 12 or 24 inches wide. It features a friendly user interface, and has dual clamps that make cutting and sketching easy in a single step. The machine also has the print and cut feature that allows you to print full-color images from your computer, and then cut. Positive side of this product. Easy to use and well-designed. Fast and accurate cutting. Negative side of this product. Internet connection is required. Number 5. Sizzix Vagabond 2 Electric Die Cutting Machine. The Vagabond 2 is simply a portable, yet powerful die cutting and embossing machine from Sizzix. It has a suitcase appearance which does not only guarantee its ease of transportation from places to places, but also the ease of storage. Its sturdy construction offers a great deal of durability, and other exciting features you should consider when shopping. Positive side of this product, sharp cut and smooth operation. Portable design. Negative side of this product, the plates are a bit narrow for large projects. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.